breaking news that's coming in of the proposal, the resolution passed in the NDA meeting. The TDP and the JDU, two parties over which there's been maximum speculation because of the big chunk of number of seats that they've brought into the alliance, have very much agreed that unanimously Prime Minister, that Narendra Modi will continue as the Prime Minister. Let me read out for you some bits from this particular resolution. It says very clearly that we are all proud that these elections were won by the NDA under the leadership of Narendra Modi. We unanimously choose Narendra Modi as our leader. So this is the clear message that has been put forth. I want to bring in Poulomi Saha, who's tracking all the latest updates from outside the NDA meet venue. Poulomi, a resolution has been passed. We're expecting that all of the NDA leaders together will now go ahead and also stake claim perhaps tomorrow. But no hurdles really. The JDU, the TDP all on board saying very clearly we are one.
That's right. That, in fact, is the resolution which has been passed at that NDA meeting, the meeting of the NDA leaders, where they've said that we are proud of the fact that we fought the 2024 Lok Sabha elections as NDA under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we fought it unitedly and won the elections as well, as a result of which, as NDA Neta, we elect Narendra Modi unanimously. So clearly that is the message that has been sent out as far as that resolution which was passed at 7 LKM is concerned. It is, of course, a very important step as far as government formation is concerned. All the NDA leaders who were present in that meeting, they're all on board as far as this alliance is concerned. Nobody is switching sides. Nobody is going in any other direction. They've sworn their allegiance to the NDA. The numbers are intact, and now very soon we expect the BJP-led formation, the National Democratic Alliance, to go to Rashtrapati Bhavan in the next couple of days, possibly on June 7th, in order to stake claim to form government.
Okay, so they'll be staking claim not today, but in a few days from now. Poulomi, just one more quick question. Have the nitty-gritties on the cabinet berths also been discussed in this meeting?
Well, we believe that as far as that is concerned, it will take some amount of time. We already hear that Chandrababu Naidu is in a meeting with the top BJP leader as we speak. We're trying to get a confirmation. Some reports suggesting he's at Piyush Goyal's residence. He's not returned to the official residence where he's staying at. He was slated to fly out at about 6 p.m. this evening. At least that was the plan. He's flying charter, so obviously he's not time-bound in that sense. But the fact of the matter is we're learning that he might be in conversations already in terms of the negotiations, that will play out as far as ministerial berths is concerned. And going by past precedent, we do believe that Nitish Kumar will most likely depute Lalan Singh and Sanjay Jha to do the negotiations. They were present in that meeting today at 7 LKM.
Okay, all right. I'm going to cut across, Poulomi. We're just going to cut across to images. We're going to cut across to images coming in right now of Prime Minister Modi, JP Nadda, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh with all of their allies. A photo op where all of them are holding up the victory symbol. You've got Chandrababu Naidu standing right next to Prime Minister Modi. Perhaps this picture speaks volumes of how important the TDP is as an ally, as they bring 16 seats now to the table with this alliance. So besides the BJP, they've got the second highest tally right now. So right next to Prime Minister Modi is Chandrababu Naidu, and then you have Nitish Kumar, Eknath Shinde, you've got Pawan Kalyan right behind there, and several others. I see Chirag Paswan and all the other allies, HD Kumaraswamy, all standing there with the victory symbol, sending across a message that we are united. First pictures emerging, Poulomi, with a clear message being sent across by the BJP leadership that we've got all of our allies with us. We're 100% together. This is a show of solidarity, essentially.
Absolutely. It's a show of solidarity as far as the NDA grouping is concerned. You see images, of course, of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They're flanked by Chandrababu Naidu, JP Nadda on his right-hand side. Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah were also part of that meeting. Nitish Kumar is in that meeting as well. Like I said, very importantly, Nitish Kumar now trusts two men to do the talking for him, and he has taken a representative to that meeting, and those are the two at the far left of the photograph in the second row, Lalan Singh and Sanjay Jha, who are in that picture. Ajit Pawar, I beg your pardon, has sent two emissaries, Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel. We see them in the pictures. Jayan Chaudhary, Chirag Paswan in the picture. Members of the Ahom Gana Parishad as well as the SKM in the picture. Anupriya Patel of Apna Dal is there. Pawan Kalyan is there. Atul Bora of the Ahom Gana Parishad, like I said, is in that picture as well. Eknath Shinde in that image as well as Jitin Ram Manji. These are the members who are present in that meeting. So we're expecting that Lalan Singh and Sanjay Jha will do all the conversation on behalf of Nitish Kumar. And as far as Chandrababu Naidu is concerned, he's known to be a hard task master. You know, I was speaking to someone from Andhra Pradesh recently, and they said
he's a political veteran, essentially, and there's no doubt that he is going to be going ahead and seeking his pound of the flesh as far as power in Delhi goes.